Just below the command ribbon is the name box and formula bar. The name box displays the current selection's name, which could be a cell reference or a name you set. As I move around in my document, you'll notice that the value in the name box changes. We won't be working with the name box in this course, but it's good to know it's there. Next to the name box, you'll see a few grayed out icons. These are used when you're working with formulas. The X icon is used to cancel a formula entry. You can also press the escape key on your keyboard, which is what I usually do. The checkmark icon is used to complete or commit your formula. You can also press enter. The FX icon is used to get help with functions. The formula bar is to the right of these icons. If I click in the formula bar, you'll notice that the icons to the left are no longer grayed out, which means you can use them. The formula bar will be used to write formulas that Excel will execute. The result of a formula will be placed in the selected cell or range. If I type equals 1 plus 2 in the formula bar, when I press enter, the result of 3 will show up in the document. To the right of the formula bar is a drop-down arrow that you can use to enlarge the formula bar. We'll be going into more details about creating formulas in a future video.